So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to any web browser and then type in Canon printer drivers. Make sure that you're on the Canon website. I'm on the Canon UK website, you might be on something else, but make sure that it says Canon. Then you want to go to the printer support. And then once you're on this, you want to scroll down. You could either search for your printer right here, or you could just select one of the models right here. I know which one I want. I want to be getting the Pixma MG2540. I'm going to click on it. Now it's going to be here. Make sure that you have drivers selected. You want to scroll down. Now you're going to choose your operating system. On Windows 11, I'm going to scroll down again. And now it's going to be saying recommended for you. You want to get this one that will come up. So I'm going to click on download. And I click on download again. Now it's going to start downloading. And now that's been downloaded, I'm going to open it up. And then click on yes. And now this will come up. Wait for this to load. Wait for this to load. And then once we're here, you just want to follow the on-screen instructions. Choose your language. And then click on next. Wait for this to load. Choose your place of residence. Click on next. Choose it again. Click on next. You can select where you want to install. I recommend just keeping all this on the default. It's going to tell you what your estimated installation time will be. Mine's going to be 10 to 15 minutes. Once you're fine with all this, you want to click on next. And then click on yes. Now it's going to start downloading. Now once it's been fully downloaded, you just want to restart your computer. And then you should be good to go.